In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a dimmer switch. I've been doing electrical since the age of 13 and I have a combined in-field and in-school experience totaling about 9 years. Now the first thing you want to do after putting on your safety gloves is find the switch that you're going to be changing, turn the switch on, and whichever light it controls, you want to walk over to your electrical panel. Flip the breakers if they're not labeled until that light turns off. Once that light turns off, the switch is safe to work on.
Unscrew the two 632 screws from the wall plate, remove the cover, and set it aside. Unscrew the two 632 screws from the existing switch. Pull the switch towards you using the top and bottom yoke and use your non-contact voltage tester to make sure that the circuit is safe to work on. A steady beeping light means that there's power in the box and the switch isn't ready to be worked on, so go back to the panel and turn off the breakers until you no longer hear the beeping. Note that there are two modes for the tester that's used in this video, and it's advised that you check it on a circuit that's already on to ensure its functionality before you use it to test the switch. After removing the electrical tape from the switch, if any, loosen the screws on the switch and remove each wire. On the new switch, starting with the ground wire, if any, make an X with the two wires and with your pliers, twist them together in a clockwise motion. Apply the supplied wire connector, then tug the wires to ensure a strong connection. Note that some dimmer switches may come with three-way switching capabilities. In this instance, our three-way wire or screw terminal is the blue. We will only be using the black and brass screw terminals. If necessary, use your wire strippers to cut the insulation back. Most often, it'll be a number 12 gauge wire. Bend a little more than half a circle on the wire and wrap it around the screw. Use the wire strippers to close the circle, then tighten with your screwdriver. Repeat these steps for the other wire, and be advised that in single pole switching applications, either wire can go on either screw terminal. Now is the perfect time to start neatly tucking the wires inside of the box. Apply electrical tape around the switch to protect the screw terminals. Use the included 632 screws to fasten the switch to the box. Reapply the wall plate and fasten it to the switch using the included 632 screws. Note that for the best aesthetic results, the screws on the wall plate should be in the upright position. After installing the wall plate, test the switch by turning on the circuit breaker, turning on the switch, and cycling between the highest and lowest dimming settings.
If you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to share some more valuable information that can further help you with this installation. But first, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell on so you can get notified about all of my future videos. Any of the tools used in this video would be posted in the description down below. First tip is, if your switch comes with the 3-way switching option, you may not have the same colors on the switch terminals or on the wire extensions that come with the switch. Typically, the wire colors you're gonna see are a black wire, a red wire, and a red and white wire. You're gonna use the black wire and the red wire for a single pole switching application. The type of switches I just discussed usually come with wires already attached to the end of them and not screw terminals, so you would connect those in the same way we connected that green wire in the beginning of the video. The switches are usually labeled, letting you know which side of the switch is supposed to be top and which side is supposed to be the bottom. If you're replacing a toggle type switch, you may need to purchase the correct cover that corresponds with the shape of the new switch. Please note that if you have LED light bulbs installed, that they should be of the dimmable type before completing this installation. It's important to note that not every dimmer switch is compatible with every light bulb, so although the light bulb may state that it's dimmable, it still may not be compatible with the switch. So do the research and find out if the manufacturer of your switch makes switches that's compatible with the brand of light bulb that you have before purchasing. If you don't have a ground wire in the box, or if you're unsure if the box is properly grounded, you should see my how to install a single pole switch video, and it will help you determine if you need to install one. To comply with the NEC in older buildings, you usually have to install a ground fault circuit interrupter breaker. If you want to see me post a video of how to do that, let me know in the comments down below. Last but not least, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. If you have any questions, you can post it down below. I'll get back to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.